Yo, listen up. Today I'm about to show you how to install ComfyUI, the only AI tool that actually respects your brain cells. Forget those kiddie apps where you pray for a good result. ComfyUI gives you full control: images, videos, sound, real creative power. Still frames, 3D scenes, animated dreams. Yeah, ComfyUI's been there, done that, and it's waiting for you to catch up. Powered by custom nodes like Animate Diff, IPA Adapter, Cog Video X. It's not if you can create what you imagine. It's when you finally get good enough to use it properly. So let's install it. Fast, clean, no hand-holding, no crying. First move. Go to comfy.org. Yes, use your browser. Open it yourself. You're a big kid now. Scroll all the way to the bottom. I know scrolling is hard. Fight through the pain. Click the GitHub link. Or if you want to be an overachiever, just hit github.com/comfyanonymous/comfyui directly. Once you're there, scroll down to the installing section. Yes, you have to scroll again. I'm sorry your fingers have to work overtime. Now, we're grabbing the Windows Portable build, because we don't have time to compile nonsense or dance with dependencies. Click the direct download link. Wait for it like the rest of us mortals. If your download speed is slower than a turtle on vacation, maybe it's time to upgrade your internet, or your entire life. Download finished? Cool. Find that zip file you just dragged down from the internet. Put it somewhere smart. I'm throwing mine into D because I like knowing where my stuff is. Extract the zip. If you can't unzip a file in 2025, you may need another tutorial, but not this one. Open the folder you just extracted. See that? Python is already baked in like a gourmet cake. No, go install Python distractions. No excuses. You're welcome. Inside the folder, you've got two flavors. Run SIA CPU, for those brave enough to suffer using only their CPU. Run NVIDIA GPU, for the smart ones blessed with an NVIDIA GPU. Guess what I'm clicking? Run NVIDIA GPU BAT, obviously, because I enjoy results before I grow old. A command window will pop up. Don't panic. Don't mash your keyboard. Just sit there. Let it work. It's assembling greatness. Once it's done initializing, boom, ComfyUI will explode open in your default browser like a gift you actually want. And inside, you're instantly armed with workflows for basic image generation, Flux, image processing, control net wizardry, upscaling magic, video generation madness, area composition, full-on 3D sorcery, audio soundscape mayhem. You're basically Tony Stark now. You just didn't realize it until today. And that's it. You're now better than 90% of people who gave up before they even extracted the zip. ComfyUI is live. Your excuses are dead. At this point, if you're not excited, just go back to making stick figures in MS Paint. If this video saved you, and it did, punch that like button into orbit and subscribe before your Wi-Fi dies. Catch you on the next one. Don't embarrass yourself. Create something epic.